get ready so I can work out. I know it's a bit dark in here, but I'm going to change real fast. I always get up around 5:30 to get my day started, and it's so nice in the morning because everyone is asleep, so I can wake up, do my thing, get ready, work out and stuff like that. Now I try to Peloton. Best workout. I try to Peloton around 3 times a week just to get going and have some consistency. Peloton's actually right here in my office, so that's what we will be doing right now. One of the most important things for me as a social media manager is to keep healthy routines, habits, and working out is one of them, so that I can stay creative and stuff like that. So I just got out of the shower, as you can tell, and these are the clothes I am going to be wearing to the shoot today. I'm gonna have to let my hair dry while I get ready before I can use my Dyson. I'm going to let this air dry for a little bit so that later I can fix it. Then I like to do my makeup. I always use the same makeup, literally. If you're ever wondering what my makeup routine is, it's the same all the time. Another thing about me is that I like to get dressed up, whether it's for a shoot or whether I'm actually working at home, because that's just how I am. It helps me and makes me feel good, so that's why I do it. Then I just use a palette like this, and I do some super basic contouring. I'm going to leave my hair like this for now, and we're going to get to work, and then I will finish off later before we actually leave for the photo shoot. So let's go. that my hair is dry, we can work on taming this poofy hair. If you usually see me on Instagram, then you probably think I have straight hair, but I don't. So we're going to fix this right now. Right now I am getting ready to drive downtown to get photos done. I like to keep my hair in a pony so that humidity and stuff doesn't mess it up. But in the morning I made sure that some of the stuff is ready to go for our content calendars, and so that I can step out and nobody needs me until I come back. So let's go. So I just finished shooting and it's so freaking hot. I feel so hot. The humidity was crazy, but I think they turned out really well. So I'm excited to actually see them. I bet I will have the photos by the time this video comes out. But now I'm on my way home to go back to the office ASAP and start working on client work. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. One of the biggest things during my day is really to take time in between, like having lunch and really actually sitting down. I mean, obviously not today as I'm filming, but sitting down and taking the time to wind down and take those mini breaks in between the day, because the days are just very, very long. Yeah, and little breaks like that really, really help to keep you going. So I'm now logging off from my computer, my office, shutting everything down, and then I'm actually today going to prepare some dinner because we ran out of food at this point, since we've eaten everything that I cooked over the weekend. So I am actually gonna make some food so we have food for the rest of the week, and then I don't have to cook anymore and worry about it. And yeah, then we're set. And then we're gonna call it a day. So let's make some pasta. Can never fail. Let me get some chicken. And while I am going to finish cooking and I'm going to wrap up the day, this concludes a day in my life. After I cook, I'm gonna eat and wind down, get out of my work clothes, as I always like to dress up. I hope you found this helpful, learned something, and get an idea of what it's like being an agency owner, social media manager, and the things we do from a day to day. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Let me know what you want to see in next week's video, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. See you all later.